Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing my experience with the FLEXISPOT ErgoX Premium. After spending a lot of time comparing different ergonomic chairs, I can honestly say that this FLEXISPOT ErgoX Premium Ergonomic Office Chair is incredibly comfortable and really stands out in this price range. There was a small issue at the beginning, but FLEXISPOT's customer service was excellent. They responded quickly, took the problem seriously, and resolved everything without any hassle. I already use a FLEXISPOT standing desk, and this chair reinforced my impression that they're a reliable brand, especially compared to many of the generic office chairs you find online. Here's a breakdown of my experience using the chair. Starting with the headrest, it's adjustable both vertically and horizontally. I'm about 175 centimeters tall, or 5'9", and the lowest setting fits me perfectly. It supports my neck and shoulders exactly where I need it to. Now let's talk about what I think is one of the most underrated features of this chair, the mesh seat. A lot of people may overlook this, but the mesh is advertised with a 10-year lifespan. What really stands out is the adjustable seat depth. By sliding the seat forward, you get significantly more support under your legs, creating a much more comfortable sitting experience. Another detail that deserves attention is the front edge of the seat. Instead of using a hard plastic frame that presses against the back of your legs, FLEXISPOT wrapped the edge of the mesh. It sounds like a small thing, but it makes a noticeable difference in long-term comfort. The lumbar support is another area where this chair performs exceptionally well. Unlike many competing chairs that use a fixed lumbar spring, this one allows you to adjust the tension and lock it firmly into place. That makes it much easier to customize the support based on your personal preference. The footrest is also surprisingly comfortable. What I like most is that it can slide forward and backward rather than simply flipping out from underneath the seat. That extra adjustability helps you find a much more natural resting position when reclining. The armrests were probably the biggest surprise for me. I've used other chairs where the armrests felt loose and wobbly, sometimes moving around whenever you put weight on them. That's not the case here. The armrests feel sturdy, well-built, and easy to adjust. But here's the feature that really impressed me. During assembly, you can actually swap the left and right armrests if you want. One common issue with many ergonomic chairs is that when you recline, the armrests remain too far forward, leaving your arms unsupported. By swapping the armrest during setup, you can create a much more comfortable position for your arms while reclining. For me, that was a genuine game changer and something I've rarely seen, even on chairs that cost significantly more. As for drawbacks, I really only have one minor complaint. The included casters feel like standard plastic office chair wheels. They work fine, but I personally replaced them with rubber casters because I wanted better floor protection and smoother movement. Overall, features like the adjustable seat depth, thoughtful mesh seat design, customizable lumbar support, sliding footrest, and sturdy armrests make this chair feel like it belongs in a much higher price category. I'm extremely satisfied with this purchase and would definitely recommend the FLEXISPOT ErgoX Premium Ergonomic Office Chair to anyone looking for a comfortable and highly adjustable ergonomic chair. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.